Question number 6 says the data in the accompanying table represents the ages of the residents of a country on their first days in office. We're going to complete parts A and B, so we have 2 parts. So here's our table. Okay, and then we want to construct a stem and leaf plot, and we're going to choose the correct one below. So 42, 42, 46. President's ages. I can't get it up there at the same time. So I'm looking at the information here. 42, 43. So maybe they go down the column. And then we got 46, 46. So these 3 cannot be correct because they only have 42 and 43. Well, I guess they could because they split up. Never mind. We have a split stem and leaf. 42, 43. It's in order. 46, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So I'm going to throw D out. D is not going to match. All 3 of these, A, B, and C, match the first. So what is the difference? 60s. So let's look at B. Let's look at 60 above 65. We got 67, 69. So looking at what's different between these, 67 and 69, is there a 65? There is a 65. So 65, 67, 69. So B is out. So that leaves me with C or A. And what is the difference between these 2? Most of this looks the same. This is out of order. You see they got the 1 and then 0, 0, 5. When you do this graph, you put it all in order. So C looks to be the best match when you compare them. Alright, we're going to continue to part B. We're going to describe the shape of the data. Choose the correct answer below. So when you do a leaf plot, if you were to kind of trace and draw a line covering this, it looks like it would go up and then come down. It looked like it would be bell shaped. So that's how you can describe the shape. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at this stem plot and I'm looking at all these numbers, and it starts out low, and I would just trace around the data like that as closely as I could. And based on the way this data looks like, it starts out low and then it goes to a peak and then it starts coming back down. So that's going to give us what we call a bell shape data. So that's the way you see and estimate the shape of the data. You can also put it in the calculator. That would take a little bit of time. So I'm going to leave it like this. Just trace the outline of your stem and leaf chart. That'll give you an idea of the shape of the data.